Alright, so this is my new machine. When you get it, this will not be on here, and there's 1, 2, 3 spots for depending on how tall your cup is that you're going to be using. Obviously that's just a little too short, and then the middle one is just right. I do my shot of espresso in this, and then I transfer it into my other cup. So this also came with this set of capsules to try. So today we're going to be using this one, and it is only a 4 as far as how caffeinated it is. So it's super easy to use. All you're going to do is first push the button so it can start heating up. You're just going to twist this. It will pop open. You drop your capsule in. These are here so that when you're done, it's going to grab your capsule, and then it will drop it back here at the end. So when I open it, you'll be able to see that, and then it just takes it and it puts it into this little storage bin back here in the back, and you could just empty them out at the end of the week, or you know, whenever you need to. So to close it, you just push down, and you can hear it snap in, and then you lock it into place. So it's not flashing anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and push it so you could see. Hopefully. You could hear it. It's not very loud. It does take it a second, and then it does get just a little bit louder, but I don't think it's anything unbearable. So this was a single shot of espresso, not a double. There are doubles in the little sampler pack that you could get. And as far as like capsule height for those, since that's done, here you could see that the double shot is slightly taller than the single shot. Just slightly. So not a lot. Alright, so here is what my single shot of espresso looks like. So now when I pop this open, you'll be able to see it will grab, lift this up, puck, and just drop it back super quick. So it's super easy to use, it's quiet, it heats up quick, it's everything I could have asked for.
This is the best Nespresso maker. This is the best price point. You're going to love this.